what's been your mantra as parents, you know, to raise two very happy kids? They're successful, but I see them as very happy kids. Yeah. How have you been able both to do this?
That's probably because most of us as people also are generally happy people, happy, peaceful people, and like we don't hold grudges. We don't take kind of, you know, keep anger inside us, no matter what happens outside. And I guess thankfully that has kind of passed on to the children also, and we're really blessed to have both of them. They're absolutely wonderful children, and blessed to have Devanshi. Devanshi is obviously the first child, and I know how much I have, you know, I know, like, you know, that she's my first child, and had Benjamin Spock right under my pillow to guide me for a baby as to how I have to, you know, make her grow and all those kind of things, parental guide. Then we went to the US, and she was about 14 months old at that time, and we took her there, and she's, I mean, you know, she's always been a very smart kid, starting from the infant stage, and so even at that time would get books to how to, you know, get her or whatever, you know, as parents, like especially Indian parents, बच्चे को ये होना चाहिए, ये आ जाना, ये किस age में आना चाहिए, किस time पे होना चाहिए, all those kind of things. So like, and I would feel very happy that okay, she's beyond this.
Very pretty. Especially because I know you don't want to wear it.
This video.
I will thank you. Somebody is glowing. Now the haldi also is glowing. Our teeth नहीं है. We are this small.
अरे ऐसा मत करो भाई.
She's all tucked up.
I know. Hello, sweetheart.
I'll give you a hug. It's nice to meet you. Good to see you.
Very nice. Otherwise किसी को पता नहीं चल रहा था.
Oh, you. Thank you.
Sandy.
Thank you. Yeah, just to make this high.
Tell me what comes to your mind right now. Next 3 seconds.
What's the next question going to be? Just excitement, I think. I think going into it, like the days leading up to it was an absolute whirlwind. Like, you know, like kya karna hai sort of thing. Obviously, I like only got here about 10-12 days ago, so to like figuring out, okay, how do I be most helpful sort of thing. And then now that we're in it, I think, you know, it's having a good time and making sure everyone has a good time.
कंगना खुलना नहीं चाहिए शादी तक. Yes.
Instructions noted.
I said, please tell Mama to start.
As you go along, she'll tell you the next rules.
Okay. Shoulders bigger.
Well, I think we are good for now.
कर्मा स्ट्राइक्स बैक. हमें अपनों ने लूटा जमाने में कहाँ जोर था.
बचना नहीं चाहिए. कुर्ते के अंदर से भी होना चाहिए.
हाँ, ये भी करा लो.
एकदम बढ़िया लगना चाहिए. हल्दी है लड़के की हमारे.
लड़कों को लगानी नहीं होती है वैसे. लगानी नहीं होती लड़कों को. जस्ट ऑन द रिकॉर्ड.
कितना खुश
And the nose. Shining बीच में से nice and clean.
येलो कलर की रूडॉल्फ होनी चाहिए ना.
No.
हम लोग तो यही है अच्छे से गंदा करना है आज. To new temporary permanent roommates.
ये सब नो.
मिसरा मिसरा बुन के बनता महका सा एक गीत प्यार का चलता एक चरखा हम है दागी छिन छिन बीते
Oh my God! What does this?
हमें मेरे पास कपड़े नहीं है.
ये हाथी का हाथी वाला. अरे.
Oui mon amour, petit jour quand on ouvre les yeux et qu'on est plus vieux, c'est là qu'on sait que c'est pour toujours et qu'on sera toujours tous les deux. Car oui mon amour, petit jour quand on ouvre les yeux et qu'on est plus vieux, c'est là qu'on sait que c'est pour toujours et qu'on sera toujours tous les deux. Un plus un plus un plus un, c'est plus d'amour à la fin. Un plus 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 un, c'est la danse de l'envie, la danse de la vie.
गंदगी बचा दो बस. खाली पानी है, कोल्ड ड्रिंक नहीं, ठंडा है भाई. ठीक है भाई, अंदर आओ.
बधाई बधाई.
C'est plus d'amour à la fin. Un plus 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 un, c'est la danse de l'envie, la danse de la vie.
Jeez. I'll frame this picture and put it in the house.
We should do water bubble baths like right now. Snape. Severus Snape. Snape. Severus Snape. Dumbledore. Snape. Severus Snape. Go. Okay. I can open my eyes. Yeah.
Dog, Balto, our dog, but my nails are yellow. I don't want to point with this. And that's a cat with Siddharth's cat. Dollar and Balto.
One favorite thing about Devanshi?
Oh my God, she's the mom friend. She
takes care of everyone.
She's always been there. Like,
so calm.
She's
so
very
supportive.
calm. Yeah.
And she's very good in laughing.
Oh yeah,
laughter as well.
Oh yeah,
laughter.
Yeah, when she laugh, everybody used to know that she's laughing.
In school, she used to have this cough, and she would be coughing on one side of the
school.
school.
And everyone knew that Devanshi's coming.
And then everyone knew that Devanshi was coming because it was so loud and it was so typical.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that was there.
Cough.
Yeah. And when she used to laugh, then also she used to cough a lot.
Yes.
Yeah. She was constantly alternating between laughing and coughing.
That's a general Devanshi personality.
Yeah.
It's true.
One word, Devanshi and Siddharth are fill in the blanks.
Cutie pies.
Cutie pies. way too sweet. Yeah, very sweet. It's hard to compare. I've actually never met how nice she's modern couple. It's amazing. Yeah. So we love you. Yeah.
Still remember, because she used to cry a lot at night, suddenly wake up in her dreams or whatever as an infant, and she would. So I would sing, chant Gayatri Mantra Om Bhurvasva to her, and she would go off to sleep. And this was, and I'd been doing it. So we were in the US at that time, staying over there, and it just so happened that she started to cry. And he was getting a call. He had a call from work at night because India and US ka time wo tha. And I didn't want her to cry for too long. And I was also kind of, I could not be with her at that time. And I started with the Gayatri Mantra, and she was all of 18, 19 months at that time. And I couldn't complete because I had to leave, and I heard her say chant the entire Gayatri Mantra to herself and fell off to sleep.
Self-soothing.
Yeah.
That we are planning. Was there some moment for you?
I think probably when family started coming in, that was probably the big one. Like obviously, seeing everyone after so long and stuff like that. I think that was the big one. And then I think yesterday's haldi, actually being here, at the venue, and then yeah, I think that whole kind of general vibe of it actually got me feeling ki shadi ho rahi hai.
That's chapter Devanshi. Now let's switch to chapter Siddharth. I got to know that you guys were the first ones who shortlisted Siddharth.
Yeah.
So what was that procedure? What was the tick marks that Siddharth ticked off?
I know, we had lots of them, so getting a profile which would satisfy Ruchi, myself and Devanshi was not easy, right? So, but I don't know, I think the fact that he liked animals, that gelled well, the dietary habits, everything else the profile mentioned seemed to fit in well with what we felt Devanshi would be comfortable with.
How was it finally, ticking off that, okay, this is the guy, full stop?
So that part we didn't play a role.
We didn't play.
So it was just a shortlisting part of it. After that it was
Devanshi took over.
Devanshi took over.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
We met on Jeevan Sathi.
It's an arranged marriage.
It's an arranged marriage, yes.
I guess.
I got to know about it in the morning today and I was like, does it look like one?
So the families met some 6, 7, 8 months later. But so we started meeting first. I mean, I sent him the interest first. My parents usually shortlist people because they have a better success rate. I apparently shortlist everyone. I have low standards. So they're like, no, Devanshi, you can't do this. So it works better the other way around. So then they shortlisted, then I'd sent out the interest accordingly, and then he'd accepted.
sometime in October, we stopped texting. When I assumed that. So Devanshi is busy. I maybe thought that maybe she is not interested because the way things work on Jeevansathi is that if you're interested, you won't text back. So we didn't exchange any text for 20 days. All credits to her. She wanted her closure. She texted back after 20 days. I was driving to Lucknow for Diwali. And then we started speaking again. And then we never stopped.
Remember the steps?
Totally.
Fingers crossed.
Confidence.
Ready. All the best. Thank you. Need it.
किसी खूबसूरत गुलिस्तान को देखकर लगता है कि जन्नत है तो यही है। आज देवांशी और सिद्धार्थ को देखकर लगता है कि मोहब्बत है तो यही है और कहीं नहीं है।
Pushing down, been used to hitting ground. I can be your safe and sound. You can do it on your own. Don't need no one to show you, but I'm here if you're alone. If you're alone, you're alone, you're alone. I can be your home. Just hold on, you got a ways to go. Gotta hold their lives to get it right. And honey, don't be scared of feeling wild. We're two kids on the run, we've only just begun. We just begun. To get it right. And honey, don't be scared of feeling wild. We're two kids on the run, we've only just begun. We just begun. We just begun. We just begun.
It's been a journey. I think it's been good. It's been good to see like all these different sides of her. I think there's parts of it which other people didn't know she had, and I think as a brother, I think I knew thoda bahut tha, like, you know, like a lot of people were saying ki, oh, we never knew she could dance, and or she, you know, could dance so well rather, and stuff like that. And I think like that part, I think, was glimmers that I'd seen growing up. Hum dona karte the apna, like have a chota like dance parties in her room. We'd close the door and we'd have our things, and like so that's things like I'd seen, and like she'd seen that I could dance. I can see that she could dance. So it's good to see that everyone else can also see that now and appreciate it.
मर जाऊंगा मैं यारो मेरी उम्र के नौजवानों दिल लगाना ओ दीवानों मैंने प्यार करके चैन खोई पर झूठी तो कहते नहीं है वो कोई दुनिया में और कोई तो गाओ शांति शांति शांति
biased opinions, but yeah, but Karthik's and my wife's, I think they were really, really good.
What are you looking forward for tomorrow? Anything special that you have planned?
Tomorrow's going to be more sober. I feel. I think my body can't take too much of this.
I was late for the performances.
Oh, guilty.
Yes, very guilty.
Devanshi's mother performance, I like.
For me, surprise engagement.
Yes, surprise engagement. Surprise engagement was the best.
It was the best.
Yes.
One favorite thing about Devanshi?
She's the chillest, coolest,
and cutest person
that you will ever meet.
So I was attending her wedding like 15 days back, and Devanshi was my roommate, and I think she was like the perfect roommate, perfect bridesmaid, perfect everything.
We're all doctors together, and we've all like done this together, and she's like the kind of person who'll not even think like 2 minutes to like ever to do anything extra and to like chill or whatever. So
they should go for a long trip and have the honeymoon trip. That is the best thing. They should go.
The honeymoon should be a longer
longer one.
That's a nice advice. Which one was your favorite performance? Dance performance from today?
Dhruv and Ruchi ji.
Oh my God! Where Ruchi Mossy performed, she was amazing. And the couple, they were so good. It was so enduring, yeah. It was so endearing. So dance performances इतनी हुई, आपकी सबसे favorite performance कौन सी थी?
जो हमारे ध्रुव जी थे, क्या बात थी?
I think Ruchi Masi
nailed it completely.
And Karthik too.
And Karthik too, and this guy also. Karthik, I don't think so. He does. I think he secretly takes dance classes. That's what I felt. And Dhruv Jijaji, I think he can put it in his resume. Yeah. I think those guys nailed it completely. I married my best friend. And you can see the smile on my face, and she's recording me, so yes. Nothing, guys. Have fun, travel together, watch movies, get drunk, eat a lot outside, and actually don't care about anybody in the family. They all love you and they bless you. Just have fun.
One marriage advice you want to pass on?
Just say yes. Siddharth, just say yes to everything that Devanshi says. Trust me, your life is going to be heaven.
Best advice ever.
Yeah. Also say sorry.
Better. Best test advice.
No, totally.
What's the one thing that you can remember from yesterday?
Oh, our dance.
Oh, okay.
I did a few steps wrong, but only I know what I did wrong.
That's okay.
So that's my thing.
It's fine.
So, generally when you think about that day, so, you remember, oh yeah, that one memory that you remember. So, what's it for you from yesterday?
For me, it was when I slipped the ring and when I kissed her hand. So, that's the memory which I have. And then when we stood there holding hands.
Not fair.
Well, I remember that.
Yeah,
it was the most special part because there were so many people out there cheering. So.
What was that one core memory from yesterday?
So I don't really do core memories per se. Not this soon. I mean, I think about it later on, like a few days later, and then I'll be like, oh my God, this happened. Or when I go through photos or something like that, or someone says something, then I just remember how I felt during the entire day. So yeah, no, it was a good day overall.
A very successful evening.
It was a very successful evening. I preferred the daytime more. It was more informal, more casual, many more smiles.
One word for yesterday. I'm sure there's a lot of planning that must have gone, and finally seeing it happen, because I'm sure you are the actual showrunners, right? Planning everything, coordinating everything. So what one word that comes for yesterday in mind? What's that one core memory from yesterday?
Divine grace. Absolutely magical and miraculous. That's it. Yeah.
Awesome for me. It was beyond what I was expecting, frankly.
हाँ जी, बताइए क्या चल रहा है अभी दिमाग में आपका?
अभी बहुत सारा टेंशन।
टेंशन?
हाँ।
क्यों?
सब कुछ अच्छे से हो जाए और हमें एंजॉय भी करना है, सब कुछ करना है, तो बहुत सारी चीजें दिमाग में चल रही हैं।
एंजॉय तो आप लोग काफी
एंजॉय तो कर रहे हैं, बहुत मजा आ रहा है।
Lot of enjoyment.
बहुत सालों से इस दिन का इंतजार था।
So Mama's an interior designer, and so I know how picky she gets with all of these decisions. I personally never had a thing that I want my wedding to be this way. I knew it would just be taken care of by them, or that I knew they had ideas, and I just wanted something. I was like, something quiet, something small, less fanfare. I was totally fine with that. But I knew it's not possible. So I said, "Aapko jo karna hai, aap karo. It's okay. Just let me know what you're doing." But we were involved with the wedding planning, and I think the day I told him that yes, we should get married, he said, "Okay, can I tell my parents about this?" I said yes, and I knew that day. I knew it's just gone out. It's like a snowball, domino effect. Yeah, it's going to blow out of proportion.
What made you both decide that okay, no, this is the girl, this is the boy, full stop?
So again, not any one particular thing. So it was the end of January, I think Siddharth had said that he's ready, and he's ready to marry me. I said, I'm not ready for this question yet, but I said I will take time. And but I think I was ready for it. I just didn't know it, or I wasn't open to the idea at that time. But I think I was just falling in love little every single day. So yeah, I think March, I said yes, I'm ready.
met sometime, Devanshi told us that, okay, I've said yes to Siddharth, and we hadn't met him, we hadn't seen him. So I said, really? Aren't we supposed to meet him before you say yes? Well, if I had an affair from some time, I would have anyway said yes. So
Yes, I don't think we can take credit for that part of it.
So yeah, so we said, okay, fine, and then yeah, so that came in and met all of us, and yeah.
Hello. God, you see you? Ma'am, Caesar love. Hi. Thank you. So pretty.
So yeah, one word for Devanshi.
Authentic.
One word for this wedding.
Togetherness. Togetherness. It's just magical to see so many people from all across the world making the effort, people young and old, just coming together and truly celebrate. And I also feel that, you know, everybody is so consumed in their lives. We hear so much news and noise all around. So these are reminders how special life is. This is a reminder how special love is, and this is all we're born for. This is all we want to do. Share our love with each other.
ऐसे ही सोचा था, ऐसे ही होगा.
बिल्कुल ऐसे ही सोचा था. हाँ.
Going in the same line.
सब कुछ जैसा प्लानिंग में इतने सालों की जो प्लानिंग चल रही थी, सब कुछ वैसे ही हो रहा है. सारे अरमान पूरे हो गए. हाँ. प्यारी सी बहू मिल गई, प्यारा सा घर मिल गया, और क्या चाहिए.
There is no story. I was just talking to my brother, and he just told me that there is this girl, and like she's the one. And in a few days, I also met her, and I knew that she was the one. My brother couldn't find anyone better than, like, not possible.
मेरा सफर मेरी तरह आके यहाँ थम सा गया. आंखें मेरी देखे जहाँ
weddings should be, right?
Yes.
Perfectly defined what
tell
a
you.
good wedding is.
Yeah, it's about coming together. Wedding is not just about, you know, the khana pina and all. Of course, all that is great and welcome. But it's a coming together, and coming together of people, coming together of emotions, coming together, because there's so many multiple things one goes through. There are myriad emotions, feelings that are running through. There's joy, there's a little bit of, you know, the heart wrenching, there's so much happening. So that is what weddings signify.
अंदर
Let me call him.
आप सबसे ज़्यादा क्या मिस करने वाले हैं फिर अब? तो सबसे ज़्यादा मिस करेंगे?
हाँ?
सबसे ज़्यादा क्या मिस करने वाले हैं?
After marriage? I don't know.
As a real brother, younger brother, you know, काफी अरमान होते हैं लोगों को. Is this how you had thought, planned, dreamt?
Honestly, I had no clue what to expect. I was telling them कि like parents, friends, सबसे मैं पूछा था कि I haven't been to an Indian wedding in I don't know how long. Like, you know, 15-20 साल हो गए. I have no clue what to expect. The last time I was at a wedding, I was at the age where I'd be like either running around, पकड़म पकड़ाई खेल रहा हूँगा मैं field में, not caring at all कि rituals क्या हो रहा है. I have no clue. The one I was actually part of was probably Mummy's brother's wedding, Vivek Mama. That is the one I was actually part of, like, you know, like घोड़े पे था सब किया. No memory of it was, I mean, I have memories of it, but, you know, not in terms of the rituals and stuff like that. So basically coming into it, I had no idea what to expect. I was literally, once I knew शादी की planning हो रही है, I was like messaging people, is there like a guide, like, you know, like a bride's brother's guide for a wedding for dummies sort of thing. No one helped me. So they're like, हाँ, everyone, you know, तुम शादी में जाते हो, समझ जाते हो क्या करना है sort of thing. So bottom line is I had no expectations. I had no idea what to like come in with. I was just like पहुंचेंगे, people put me to work and we'll see. I thought that.
The moment that you're anticipating, ये ऐसा होगा.
I was like walking out when it's all over.
Devanshi.
See, but I was very honest.
That's one thing I really like about her. When we are pronounced husband and wife. I'm waiting for that moment.
वहाँ पे सिद्धार्थ को रखा, यहाँ तक बॉयज आए, ये वाले, you know, ये चादर के साथ वो जो बन रही है, and then 6 girls walk, come line up, they climb up, the Varmala happens, and then यहाँ से फिर ये पूरा clan चलना शुरू होगा. They'll walk in between 6 girls behind.
तेरे जैसा ना कोई था, ना है, ना रहेगा. तेरे
when I was thinking that I had to choose someone or spend my life with, then it had to make sense for, I'm very independent, so it had to make sense for me to feel better when I'm with them than when I'm with myself. Because I like being alone. I have no issues. I like myself. It's okay.
Yes.
Another red flag, yeah, that I really need alone time. that we discussed that also.
We discussed that, yes.
But being comfortable to have someone there, preferring someone there. So yeah, that was a big thing for me.
देवांशी रियली बहुत अच्छी लड़की है और हमें अपने बेटे की चॉइस पे पूरा 100% कॉन्फिडेंस है और जो जितना हम उससे मिले उससे भी हमें लग रहा है कि उसने बिल्कुल सही चॉइस की है, बिल्कुल सही, राइट। दोनों का नेचर बहुत मिलता है।
अब दिवांशी हमारी बेटी है ना?
हाँ।
अब बेटा उनका हो गया, एक ही तो रहेगा हमारा बेटा है।
She is a doctor, she can do anything. Surgery आपने। चलो भाई शोर शराबे, लड़की जीत गई है।
पैसे लो, क्या डिमांड है बताओ?
इसने बोला था 50 लाख, चलो एक
अरे फॉर्च्यूनर नहीं, जूता।
एक कम कर देते हैं। 50 क्या? 50 लाख में
लाख नहीं चाहिए, करोड़ की बात करेंगे। 50,000 देखो नीचे आ गए लाख से 50,000। किसने बोला 50,000? एक जूते का 50,000।
एक मिनट, एक जूते से जाएगा कैसे?
लेकिन एक जूते का 50,000 हमारे पास जो होगा तो हम उसी की बोली लगाएंगे ना।
अरे तो हम उसको देंगे क्यों? एक जूते का क्यों देंगे? मेरे पास तो जोड़ा है यहाँ पे।
इसका हम क्या करें?
हमें तो दूल्हा दुल्हन लेके जाने हैं, तो हम चाहे उस वाले जूते में लेके जाएं, नए जूते में लेके जाएं, हम तो ले जाएंगे।
I will start walking in 10 seconds. Sort this out.
देखो वो परेशान हो रही हैं दिवांशी ना, थोड़ा जल्दी।
दुल्हन हो जाएगी फ्रस्ट्रेट, जल्दी से डील।
अच्छा पन्ना ओके।
लॉयल्टी यार, मतलब बचपन से जानते हैं एक दूसरे को।
ओके
हम लोग यहाँ जूता चुराई का देख गए हैं।
अरे इसमें डॉलर्स हैं, डोंट वरी। मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है।
नहीं जा रहा लिफाफा।
देखा देवांशी कितना सपोर्ट कर रही है।
Thank you.
Thank you to you too.
मेरी आँखों से दिल का रास्ता कैसे तय किया तुमने, कह दो दिल को भी पता नहीं दिल में।
Well, okay, I'll continue to be there as you have always been. Well, I'm not really sure how I did that, but I'll ensure that it continues to be like that. And well, all you need to do is just be you. That's it. It should be fine. It would be fine. I know that.
Okay, I think I promise not to sabotage this.
I think
Real
that is good
possibility.
enough. That is good enough.
दिल हो तुम, 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 दिल हो तुम।
Devanshi, you are my first baby sister, baby cousin. So a part of me will always think of you that way. But the bigger part of me is so happy to see and be friends with the wonderful person that you've become and the wonderful adult that you are today. And so happy to be here to celebrate with you and Siddharth and wish you nothing but the best for this next chapter of your life. And I know we'll stay in touch and can't wait to see everything that you guys accomplish together.
What is love for you? प्यार क्या होता है?
Happy togetherness.
We would just like to tell her that we are always there for her, no matter what. And I mean, not even once she need to think for a second also that who do I go to. So, I mean, that's something that she just has to feel that my parents are always there for me. And I guess that's what.
Yeah, same actually. There's nothing special. I'm saying that we'll still continue. No, I don't think so.
Been married for how long?
37 years.
Okay. Good enough experience to now.
कोशिश है।
So one marriage advice that you want to pass on to Devanshi and Siddharth?
Respect.
Communication.
What has kept you both together?
Those two things.
Empathy.
And how do you do that? Like how do you show empathy?
Am I doing well?
Great sound.
Great sound bites. I think empathy is about understanding the other person's position, even if it's different from yours.
I wish her happiness always. She's a very happy child and I always want to see her like that.
That's it.
I'm sleepy.
This will be the last shot. This is how the film will end.
I think this defines love. It is so beautiful that let's see. So, two random people come together and they create love. That's love. Truly. Devanshi Siddharth, you are too good. Love you all. Keep smiling.
You are captured. बता रहे थे what is love? बताइए.
I'm done. My husband is here.
हमारी तो बोलती बंद हो गई शादी के बाद।
I love you, Devanshi. Always stay happy and blessed.
Very
Have
good.
a beautiful,
Very nice.
wonderful life. We all love you. We are with you.
Wish you all the best and a lovely life together ahead from all of us. Have a happy married life.
Very nice. जय श्री राम।
दोनों बच्चे को हम सब की तरफ से बहुत बहुत आशीर्वाद।
बहुत बढ़िया.
दोनों का दाम्पत्य जीवन बहुत सुखमय रहे.
Very nice.
We'll give our love to the newly married Siddharth and Devanshi. Have a wonderful life, enjoy yourselves, and keep traveling and have fun.
Yeah, I mean, the best that you can do is travel, make new memories every day, and enjoy yourself.
Yeah,
Congratulations!
Don't care.
Any message that you want to
दोनों बच्चे खुश रहें, सबसे बड़ी, और दोनों एक दूसरे के साथ अच्छे से एडजस्ट करें, दोनों एक दूसरे को समझें, वो सबसे बड़ी चीज़ है. समझेंगे तो प्यार हो ही जाएगा, और जब प्यार हो जाएगा तो लाइफ भी अच्छी सी गुजरेगी. बस हम तो यही चाहते हैं कि दोनों बस अच्छी सी ज़िंदगी गुजारें, खूब खुशी वाली, और कुछ नहीं.
Devanshi, it's been a pleasure knowing you. I know I've known you for a long time, since you were in school. It makes me sound very big and old, but just knowing what truly matters and standing by it. You know, so many people just give in because they feel needy, wanting somebody to fill that space and making them feel complete. But it's so beautiful that you have manifested a beautiful man who is not completing you, but who's sharing that completeness with you. So I truly, truly wish that the little dance that we put together has not just ended at that 1 minute sequence, but you dance through your lives together, both of you. Just lots of magic and lots of love.
Oh, don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back, she said shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said ooh, ooh, shut up and dance with me. We were victims of the night, the chemical, physical, kryptonite. Help us to the face and the fading light. Oh, we were bound to get together, bound to get together. She took my arm, I don't know how it happened. We took the floor and she said, oh, don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said ooh, ooh, shut up and dance with me. A backless dress and some beat up sneaks, my discotheque, Juliet, teenage dream. I felt it in my chest as she looked at me. I knew we were bound to be together, bound to be together. She took my arm, I don't know how it happened. We took the floor and she said, oh, don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said shut up and dance with me. Ooh, ooh, shut up and dance with me.
My purpose to ask this question is, yeah, you know, that come what may, this is what we are always going to do together. ये भूल मत जाना.
हाँ, that's most thing would probably कि मैं WhatsApp में उनसे medical advice लेते रहूँगा. वो तो होती रहेगी. That's my best medical records with her. और probably my WhatsApp chats with her. Anything होता है, क्या हुआ था? अच्छा, right ankle में था, ठीक है. That's probably one thing which वो तो उनको करना पड़ेगा. Hands down. And then probably also like, you know, she will have to face palm every time I forget about something that I have done, and she'll have to remind me कि कार्तिक ऐसे भी किया था, तुमने ऐसे किया था. It's like अच्छा ठीक है. वो तो होता रहेगा. She'll have to always keep a track of everything in my life, and she has to keep it in her mind because she has a better memory than I do. So वो तो होगा.
I just wanted to add to this, and this is very special for me and even for Devanshi. So I follow Satya Sai Baba. So he had, after many years, he had come to Delhi, and this was about 2010, and 2010 April, and So Devanshi knows that like I'm not a follower that way, but yes, I do believe in the values and the system and everything. So I'd gone and attended, and Devanshi had also come along with me. And I mean, she could see that, you know, tears were flowing and all that. I was very emotional and all that stuff. And I thought that he, you know, Satyasai Baba would kind of walk across, but I guess he was also old at that time. He was on a wheelchair. So we left the venue, you know, and then I said, Devanshi, I couldn't, he didn't come there. So she said, Mummy, did you see there were two butterflies, orange in color. They were flowing, they were kind of hovering over our heads. I said, yeah. She said, you know, butterflies are the closest to God. And that kind of, you know, she said, so he was there with you, with us. And that kind of, I said, like, I mean, I couldn't believe it. A child of that age, she was not, this is what, how many years back? Yeah, 2010, so this is 2023. And so 13 years back. And I said like, wow. And so I told this to my father. I said, you know, this is what she said. He said, I always knew. And he said, and he always used to say, he said, she's special. She's actually God's child. And just handle her with care. So, although my dad's not there, but yeah, this is something I can never forget. So, thank you, Devanshi, for being in our life.